Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the absolute persistent module on a Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. First, shut down your laptop. After that, turn it on and repeatedly press the F2 key until you reach the BIOS menu. In the BIOS menu, select Security on the sidebar. And in the Security menu, scroll down until you find the absolute persistent module. To enable it, expand the menu and select Enable. To disable it, select Disabled, or if you want to disable it permanently, you can use the Permanently Disabled feature. To apply changes and exit, press F10 and Enter. To decline changes, press Escape and Enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.